Welcome to the islands of Borneo and Sumatra, where animals fly through the air, crawl, and guard the forest floor. But one animal rises above them all. The orangutan.
Oh, won't you come with me into the open world?
On April 22nd, join Inda as she leaves the nest with some leaps and some falls as she climbs through life. From many dangers to new friends. Only on Disney+. Come on an extraordinary journey of courage, family, and belonging.